So my Dreamforce adventure is starting very shortly. I've made it to Heathrow Airport. I'm just ready to board my Virgin flight all the way to San Francisco. Was it 11 hours on a plane? I can't wait. But maybe I'll finish my session by then. Or not. We'll see what happens. Watch out, San Fran. Here I come. Still seems like an awful long way to go, but on the plus side, I have been working on my presentation. So hopefully I'll see you guys there on Wednesday. Yes, a Powell Street cable car means only one thing. I've made it to San Francisco, and the day of Salesforce starts tomorrow. But after a 14-hour flight or 10-hour flight, I am knackered. I'm going to sleep. See you in the morning.